Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Roeder at Ocean Breeze Elementary School Media Center. Today I'm going to read a book that I checked out from our library through our Destiny Discover website. And I'm going to go into my checkouts to find it. And this is the book that we're going to read today. It's called Piranhas Don't Eat Bananas. So I'm going to click open. And my ebook will begin to load. And once it loads, then I can start reading. Piranhas Don't Eat Bananas. Piranhas Don't Eat Bananas. This is our title page because it has the title of the book on it. It also has the author's name, Aaron Blabey. At the end of the story, I'm going to ask you to draw me a picture about what the story was about. So make sure you are paying attention to the story. So after the story is over, you can get a piece of paper and either a pencil or crayons or markers or whatever supplies that your parents provide for you, or if you're in the classroom, the supplies that we have in the classroom. And you are going to draw me a picture about what you remember from the story. Here we go. Hey there, guys. Would you like a banana? What's wrong with you, Brian? You're a piranha. Well, how about some silver beet? Are you serious, Brian? We eat feet. Or would you rather a bowl of peas? Stop it, Brian. We eat knees. Well, I bet you'd like some juicy plums. Oh, they're thinking about it. That's it, Brian. We eat bums. Oh, what are they doing? We don't eat apples. We don't eat beans. We don't eat veggies. We don't eat greens. We don't eat melons. We don't eat bananas. And the reason is simple, pal. We are piranhas. Well, I think that's silly, guys. Fruit is the best. We can't take much more of this. Give it a rest. Okay, I'll stop then. You'll hear no more chatter, but only if you try my awesome fruit platter. Give it here then. Yum, 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 yum. So, what do you think, guys? Is it yucky or yum? It's very nice, Brian. But we still prefer bum. Silly piranhas. Now that you have heard the story, Piranhas Don't Eat Bananas, I would like you to get out a piece of paper and whatever kind of supplies that you have for drawing and draw me a picture of what you remember from the story or your favorite part of the story. Thank you so much for listening to our story today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see your pictures. If you are an e-learner, at the end of our activity period, you can show your pictures to your teacher, your classroom teacher. Thank you again, and we'll see each other again soon. Bye!